In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an Asana title and description 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can clean up project names, clarify descriptions, and keep your tasks easy to understand. Let's start with projects. Open the project you want to update and look at the very top of the project overview page. The project's name is editable right in place. Click directly on the title to activate it, type your new name, and you're done. Asana saves changes automatically when you click outside the field, so there's no separate save button to chase. Aim for a clear, scannable title that reflects the purpose or time frame, like Q2 marketing rollout, instead of something vague. This makes it easier for teammates to find and understand the project at a glance. If you need to update more than the title, use the menu next to the project name. Click the small drop-down arrow beside the title and choose Edit Project Details. This opens the area where you can adjust the project description. Use the space to set context, explain the goal, outline the scope, and add any guidelines or links teammates will need. Keep the first sentence concise and decisive, then add supporting details below. You can format the text for readability using the standard toolbar elements provided by Asana, making long descriptions much easier to scan. When you're finished, close the panel or click away. Your updates are saved automatically. If you don't see the option to edit, you may need the right permissions from your workspace admin. Now let's edit a task. Click the task anywhere it appears to open its details pane. This gives you a focused view of the task title, description, and other info. To change the title, click directly on the current name and start typing. Keep titles action-oriented and specific so it's clear what needs to be done. For the task description, click inside the description field to make it editable. You'll see a formatting toolbar appear with options like bold text, headings, lists, and more. Use these tools to structure instructions, add steps, or paste relevant links. Short paragraphs and bullet-like formatting make complex tasks easier to follow, and you can mention teammates with the usual tools to clarify ownership or ask for input. Again, Asana saves as you go. That's it. You've learned how to rename a project, update project details, open a task, and edit both its title and description. Keep names clear, descriptions purposeful, and formatting tidy, and your team will stay aligned and efficient.